Good morning. So today we're gonna be birding at Hosmer Grove. Super excited to see native birds, so hopefully we get to see a lot today. It's a beautiful day, clear day, no wind. Excited. Year of the Manu, guys. We're gonna see this. I hope we get to see this little guy, the kohe kohe. Biflue honor, that's the name of our plane. If you folks are wondering why I have been into native birding, it's because I feel the need to document these birds before they no longer exist. Unfortunately, most of our native birds are either vulnerable, endangered, or critically endangered. I've learned to appreciate the beauty of Hawaii, including how the birds are important for our forests. Also, bird photography and videography is a whole different level of shooting. It's definitely a challenge, but rewarding when you're able to get crisp shots of the manu. I recommend checking out my video on Haleakala when you get the chance, since that is when it sparked my interest in birding. Also, check out Birds Not Mosquitoes, an agency that is trying to help prevent our birds from going extinct using the mosquito incompatible insect technique.
Red bird because they fly by literally off of body.
Ah, nice. Just at the parking lot, so much bird song. They are? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! This sis right here, she's still crying. Oh my god, there's like a bunch of them. Oh, there's two of them. I'm trying not to cry. Oh my gosh, too late.
Straight up.
My best kid. So we finally made the lookout, and I think we're only 0.2 in. Oh my god, listen to all these birds. Alright, so we came across a junction, we took the left fork, and now there's a lot of ohelo and pukiave Very similar to what we saw when we backpacked Haleakala Crater, but more shrubs. There's actually mamani too, and it looks like they're in bloom. Oh my god, I can't get over this bird song. Look at this healthy pukiave bush. Pink berries. Look at that, guys. It's orange. Not bad. Trail is wide. Can get muddy though if it has been after rain, coming after rain. We watched these birds in wonder as we silently stood still, admiring their song and charming little bodies jumping and flying from one branch to the next. Hosmer Grove was a heavenly place to take delight in these amazing honey creepers. We ate lunch at the campground and then drove up to Haleakala Summit. On the way up, we spotted a pueo soaring in the skies. What a way to end this trip. Hope you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Aloha!